Hell, maybe we should.
What?
I'll start videoing.
Marion Fireworks 2024. That's gonna be a vertical video. I don't care. Over here at Red Roof Inn with the Strouts, Emily, Christopher, and Big Bang Theory.
Where's Sheldon Cooper when you need him?
Yeah. Bazinga! Man, it's gonna be a bitch getting out. You know that, right?
Oh, it's gonna be hell.
Because yeah, the way his cousins, we're gonna have fun. We might as well chill till all the cars leave.
Oh yeah, that'll be like midnight.
I'm heading straight to bed.
Let's go.
Doing special effects, Chris. But
Hi.
bitch. Botch. Oh man. Good old fire. Oh, dizzy from doing that. Look at this dumbass. Go away. God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, look. Look at your daughter, Isaac. Oh, you missed it. She was all pointing up to the sky. Yep. He's looking.
Busy.
There we go. Light it up. Yeah.
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 Boom.
Yeah. The most.
So low.
Yeah. There, red, white, and blue are there.
Imagine if the aliens were like, oh, they slept right
Like, what's the humans doing down there?
They're solving world problems with beer and watch fire.
Let's go.
Red, white, blue.
Blossom.
Yeah,
Blue. Bada bing, bada boom. Rivers find the room. How you doing?
Oh, look at that.
Well, that's nice. Little fireflies up there.
Yeah.
Lightning bugs. Nice. There we go. We're coming to a Star Wars. Well, that's tight. It was. you go.
Yeah.
It's a
Just
jump
because I
scare.
feel like we're too close. No, it's the sound too.
Right.
Go.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, baby.
Boo, boo.
Just look at it. Just look at it, Emily. Just look at it.
That sounds like a song.
Man, we feel like we're on drugs. We just laugh away. That's our drug.
High on life.
Yeah, high on life. There it is. Yeah, high on life.
Video game.
I was all hyper at work. It was hilarious. I was like, "Hello, welcome to the bar."
I couldn't
Hot
be a
fire.
that
Oh man.
would drive me crazy. It looks like
Yeah.
like going off in a pond that hasn't been.
There we go. Little fart right there. It's like a boom. Hold on.
Artsy fartsy.
Yeah. I saw that. Your daughter must have wrote it on her board. I looked at her when I was talking to Dad. That little writer thing, it said fart on it. Like she's learning to spell words or I don't know. There we go. Big tall one too. There we go. All right, nice. Christmas. Let's go.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, let's look at that. Oh, look at that.
Look
I
at
guess part of my fear is that they're gonna come down and land on us. That's always been a little fear of mine.
Izzy. Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Yep, 8:35.
Yeah.
My thing. Oh, my hands. I don't care. That's just how I do. I can't do horizontal.
Yeah.
Just hurts your neck, though. Damn it. Idiot. Dumbass. Stupid people.
Oh man, I keep yawning.
No, we're tired. We're going to bed.
Is that the pointing down?
Hey. Ride it up. So low. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue.
Stop. Stop.
got all quiet, you know? Big nut. Oh, there's the paranoids.
Oh, God.
10 minutes.
Yep. Boom.
Isabel now.
What the heck was that?
I don't know. little tick.
Isabel. She's tolerating the sound. She slept so much.
Right? What? I don't see it.
It's in the middle of, you see it?
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, through the laser.
Idiots. Look at these guys doing. Dumbasses.
They're trying to get it out before the grand finale.
Idiots. Dumb. Fucking stupid people over here blocking the whole road. Fucking dumbasses, man. Fucking idiots. Gotta deal with these fucking retards. Yeah, donkeys. There's a dumb, stupid bitch right there. Shit. This is it. You got this idiot trying to back out. Retard alert. Yeah, hit some. We have a new demolition derby out here, huh?
That's right after the fireworks.
Fucking dumbasses. Retard alert. Go away, jackass. Alright. "14 minutes.
Yeah, 14. Basically.
Yep. What the hell are you doing, moron? Bang Bang Theory, right there. Anyways, be cameraman for real quick. I gotta move this.
Right there.
Actually got out.
Right there. What are you doing? Watching the beat?
Thank you.
Hey, what's up? that was Corey.
Where's he work at? He work at Meyer?
No, he used to work with me at Walmart.
Corey, Redmond?
Yeah, Corey.
He shoots
Wood?
pool.
Hey,
He shoots pool.
yeah, Corey Wood.
I beat him a couple weekends ago.
Oh wow. That's probably why he didn't say hi to you. Hey, Corey. Thank you, boy. Didn't even know it was him.
He's changed the lights. He's got that beard. I didn't recognize him.
Yeah, he walked in one time when I was up at the self scans. He was like, "Hey, Chris." I'm like, "Corey."
Yeah, it's like, man, you went woodsman on us.
Yeah. Everybody dipping.
Yep. Let the crowd.
Yeah, beat the crowd.
Well, I don't know if the grand finale was already. I don't know.
Our suck.
I don't know either.
Never been to Marion.
Alright, I'm gonna sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
Get over it. Park.
Godzilla over
I'm gonna trip there. I'm gonna sit down. You good? Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, just don't break your neck trying to sit down.
Stiff boys.
Stiff boys. That's terrible. You call them stiff boys.
I'm sorry.
Stiffy.
Stifler. Stiff my.
Okay, there we go.
Oh my god.
I stiffed your mom.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Well, they don't.
Are you guys going to Gas City?
Yeah, we're going to.
Probably better. I'll be seeing them out from Header's house, and
They're usually shooting them like right behind the basketball. I mean, off to the left of the basketball goal, behind the diamond.
okay.
So usually in that front lawn, right across the street, the perfect spot.
Gas City?
Yeah.
You're going there tomorrow?
Oh yeah. I mean, I
Okay.
got tomorrow. I might as well go.
You guys going to it?
We might.
I mean, we live in Gas City, so.
Ah, shit.
Well, me and... Oh, wait.
I'm on to Header's. Yeah, I'm gonna get my dad's car. Hopefully, if he lets me, because it's gonna be out late. I'm still gonna drive it home, or I might just get the car back in the morning, which I might do. I didn't get my damn car.
Turn the lights off.
Well, fix the fucking flight light off. Go away, idiot. Thank you.
What is that?
What?
Right there.
A drone?
Oh, that's that drone. Yeah, that police drone. Scanning people like watchdogs or something.
Every time I always get pulled over and stuff. Oh, your file. When I was younger. Yeah, I'm Sam Elliott. I don't have no ID, but I'm Sam Elliott. I'm 1990. Yeah, I want to look at my file. This is my file, big brother.
You fucking with him the whole time. He was like, no.
About 19 minutes.
Oh well, I'll keep going.
They last about 30 minutes.
Yeah.
They start doing the finale at like 25 minutes in, 26 minutes in.
Yeah.
Is this it?
Oh, a little bit.
No, that was a little. Yep.
Sorry. I got slipped out.
A pretty stiffy. A little low there.
That was the pre-one. The pre-one.
The
That
morning.
was the morning. The morning wood. No, the night wood. Night wood.
I'm never smoking one of here.
Oh my god.
That exactly. That wasn't like some stranger doing that. You gotta know the difference.
Random fart noise in the camera.
Yep. I always do
Wait,
that.
hold on a minute.
It smells
Oh, there it is.
Random point.
It's a timestamp. It's a timestamp.